Did you know CAMS has a lifestyle division? We put the life in lifestyle, bringing communities closer together. At the heart of our lifestyle division is our dedicated lifestyle director. Each community enjoys their own director who expertly oversees and enhances the community's amenities. Experience a vibrant community with a diverse range of events, from movie nights under the stars to exhilarating pool parties and engaging game nights. We've got something for everyone. The best part? Our events can be pay to play, meaning members only pay if they participate. No participation, no cost. It's all about having a blast without worrying about your wallet. We're not just about events, we're about fostering connections. Our lifestyle division empowers you to build strong bonds with your neighbors. Let's create a close-knit community together. CAMS Lifestyle Division provides trusted guidance in nurturing community morale and helping neighbors connect. Together, we'll make memories that last a lifetime.